I've heard you telling a story of how the first few times you tried to sell, there were a couple of scams as well. So it wasn't an easy journey to get started. How did that happen?
So never wanted to start the business. My parents were, when they were here to visit us, I wanted to keep my dad busy. So my mom pushed us that keep him busy because mom doesn't like your dad to be free all day home. So we had some leftover at my brother's factory in Pakistan. I imported some towels that he couldn't sell. So I imported them. Then I tried to sell on a wholesale through Alibaba, another platform. Couldn't find a buyer. I had no experience in sales. So it was struggle. I was struggling. Eventually find a buyer who bought everything and then was a small quantity, $6,000 worth of goods. But he turned out to be a fraud. And then I lost all that money. And I didn't have much savings those days. Those were like early days still for me. And then later on, after a few months, after that discouragement, we find another buyer. We sold them a 20-foot container load. When he received the good, he said, "Oh, I don't have the money to pay for it. If you pay for it and give it to me, then I will pay you slowly." And we were like, we don't know how to handle that. So we did that, and that exact same story repeated when he received the goods. He decided not to pay us, and then after going back and forth with them for a few months, we couldn't recover our money, but we were able to recover 50% of the goods. And we put those goods in our basement where we used to play our table tennis, right? So that was our thing to do with dad and my brother. We used to live in the house and in the basement. Now that our table tennis is gone, right? Because the goods were there. So the first motivation to start the business is get rid of these goods so that we can start playing table tennis and have some good time in the night, especially in the winters. So then we decided we're not going to sell wholesale. We're going to figure something else out. And then I'm a coin collector, and I used to buy and sell coins on eBay, old coins from different old eras. So then I thought, okay, why don't I sell towels or these goods on eBay? So I start selling them on eBay, one pack at a time, 4 towels at a time. So eventually start selling 5 units a day, 10 units a day. And then when it started to cross 20 units a day, we were like, what the heck I'm doing? I mean, I'm very highly paid software developer, and I'm in the night just packing towels. And I'm calculating how much money I'm making. I'm barely making $10 or $15 per hour by doing this. But we got rid of the goods. That was the motivation. And then eventually we learned about Amazon, and we learned about the FBA, that you can use Amazon FBA and you don't have to do this labor task of pick and pack, and you can send all your goods to Amazon and Amazon will do that. So after that experience, when we learned about Amazon, we then went back and then we said, you know what, let's try on Amazon and deliver goods to Amazon and then sell on eBay, so that we don't have to pick and pack. Amazon will do pick and pack, and we will sell both on Amazon, on eBay. So the motivation to sell on Amazon was that they were doing a pick and pack service for us at a reasonable price. And we can still do our jobs, and we don't have to do this packing job in the night. So that's how it all started.